Magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. Ngayon po ay August 18, 2023. Welcome po sa weekend edition ng The Stock Market Today. At good news po, wala pong pasok sa Lunes. Ang ating special feature ay pure gold. Pero tignan po natin muna ang ating mga headlines at ito po ay galing ng BDO SEC. Philippine casino revenue seen doubling by 2028 as tourists flock in. ERC sees slow drop in power rates in the coming months amid easing coal prices. DOE plans grid integration of 94 gigawatt capacity. Villar to develop 2 casinos. At dito po sa macroeconomic news, the BSP kept benchmark interest rate unchanged at 6.25% for the third straight meeting as part of the prudent pause to assess the emerging risks to inflation and the challenging outlook to economic growth. Pero main feature po natin ay ito, Pure Food Price Club Inc. Meron po siyang keep buy rating with resilient demand, new stores to drive growth. First half 23 profit is up 4.8%. Pero compared to the other companies, mas malaki po sa 4.8% like the banks. Matataas po ang increase ng kanilang income. Normalizing SSSG levels cushioned by new store sales. S&R margins narrow. So SSSG is same-store sales growth. Management upgrades 2023 guidance. The action valuation is target price lowered to $49.90 from the previous $51, but the implied upside is still high. It's 72.3 dahil si Pure Gold po ay nagdidip. Silipin lang po natin si Pure Gold, ha? Kasi ang tunay na presyo niya is 47.90. So ngayon nasa 27.80 and it is right now it's bearish, no? So tingnan muna natin ang ating index. Ang index natin nasa 2290.27 and this is the lowest since November 2022. So nagdidip po ang ating Philippine Stock Exchange Index because of the negative sentiment on, well, the economy grew at a disappointing 4% this quarter, and coupled with the bad news here and abroad, And here, dito sa Philippines, yung pag-stop ng reclamation projects had an impact on some of the stocks at yun ang gusto kong pag-usapan ngayon. Yung tatlong stocks ng SM. And SM has 3 stocks in the Philippine Stock Exchange Index. Yan po ay si BDO, si SMPH at si SM. But the most active stock today is BDO. Followed by Ali, SMPH, then JGS. So, lahat po siya ay negative. So, let's now start with BDO. Alam niyo po, sa akin po, kaya po tayo nagko-focus dito ay dahil maganda po ang opportunity to buy. So, right now, nag-dip po siya nasa 138.20 at ito ay lowest since July 12. So, nag-dip po siya noong early July. But, as you can see, the stock is moving upwards. So, ayan, since this portion here, up to this portion here, si BDO po ay umaakyat. So, yan po ang parallel channel ni BDO. And, kung meron po kayong extra cash, and you are a long-term investor, my tip is buy BDO. Dahil nag-level up na po yung kanyang dividendo, 75 na. Dati po 30 cents lang yun, o 30 centavos. as of December 2022. And starting January, naging 75 na po. So it's good that you invest in good stocks. And kaya ko nasabi ito dahil si BDO started as a small bank in Cubao. Banco de Oro po yan. And it's one of the small to medium-sized bank, and through merger and acquisitions, they were able to get bigger and bigger, and their biggest acquisition was to buy Equitable PCI Bank, and that made them number one. And right now, BDO is the number one bank in the Philippines in terms of assets, in terms of number of branches. The management team is top-notch. The president, Mr. Nestor Tan, is one of the brightest in the industry. At yung management team po niya, napakagaling po. Yan po masasabi ko po sa BDO. Magdidip lang yan po ng konti in terms of price, pero in the long run, aakyat po siya. So, who would think si BDO po, umabot po yan ng dito at this level, 93, noong October 2022, 93. Ngayon, nasa 138 na po. So, ang support and resistance, support is 157, resistance is 157 based po sa parallel channel, and the support is at 138 based din po sa parallel channel. And if you are a long-term investor, I suggest you buy BDO. Susunod naman is SMPH. Nagdidip po siya ngayon. Ayan, 30 pesos lang. Napakamura po. This is the lowest since October 2022. So, kung meron po kayong extra cash and you are a long-term investor, SMPH din po is a good buy. Kaya po siya nagdidip is because of the negative sentiment abroad, yung pag-increase ng interest rates sa US, plus the negative sentiment on the disappointing third quarter for the Philippine economy. Kaya sa akin po, hindi po ito time to shy away from the stock, hindi po, it's time to buy. Kung titingnan po natin ang RSI or Relative Strength Index, bihira pong mag-oversold dyan. At dito po noong August 14, nag-oversold po siya. 29.38. Bihirang-bihira po mag-oversold. At kung mag-oversold po yan, tulad ngayon, oversold po, it's time to buy. Yan po ang tip ko sa inyo. So right now, it's dipping. And this is already the support level. And the resistance is here. Yan, nandito po sa 32 pesos. Yan. And the support is 30 na po. 30 po ang support level. Ang support and resistance po, hindi po yan exact point. Area po siya. Another good stock is SM. Ito po yung mother company. So, right now, kung makikita po ninyo, nagdidip din po si SM and it is already, tignan natin, oversold nga ba? Yan, nag-oversold ng isang araw. Dito. Nasa 29.77 po noong August 15. And it's still there. Pero kung gagawa po tayo ng Darvas box, ito po yung general movement niya. Yan. So, tanggalin natin to. Oversold na po siya. Actually, nag-bounce back lang po ito. Support is at 860 and resistance at 950. But if you wanted to play the range, buy on support, sell on resistance, you're a trader, pwede din po. But if you're a long-term investor, you cannot go wrong with SM and SMPH and BDO. Yung kanyang management team is also top-notch. mahuhusay po ang nagpapatakbo ng kumpanya. Yung mga leaders po niyan ay merong vision on the future of the company. Yan po, yung tatlong stocks, BDO, SMPH, and SM, they are dipping right now. My tip is if you have extra cash and if you are a long-term investor, then buy these stocks. Hindi po yan agad-agad aakyat, but in the long run, you will not be sorry on these stocks. Yan po ang ating report sa stock market. Ika-18 ng Agosto. Holiday po sa Monday. And have a good weekend. This is Benji Chidoro saying an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Maraming salamat sa inyong pagsubaybay hanggang sa muli. Stay safe, God bless, and bye for now.